energy, audience. Energy, pwede? Ayan. I love it. Ayun. We get to hear from them. They are part of the, sa presidential. They will join the 8 I candidates. Can we give them the mic, please, Aaron, my partner? Greet muna, Robbie and Alex.
Hi! Ang pinakamamahal naming press people, maraming salamat po for being here and sana po ay suportahan ninyo kami sa aming bagong handog, ang I Can Do That!
Alright, Robbie!
Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po for being here with us and may bago po kaming handog para lang po sa lahat ng mga kapamilya natin. I Can Do That. Sabay-sabay po natin panoorin. Okay?
Alright, so at this point, kailangan natin ma-meet ang ating 8 I candidates. Starting off with the beautiful Christine Reyes! Where are you? Ayun, there she is. Doon pala nagkanggaling ang ating mga I candidates. Oh, sorry. Okay, next naman. Iba ang look niya ngayon, JC Santos! Alright, sa gitna and then, ayan, in the middle muna for the photo op. Wow, he looks good. Wow, thank you, JC. Next naman, oh my goodness, the sexy RC Munoz. Ayan, sige nga, una muna, ayan sa gitna. Ayan, parang napilayan na agad si RC, hindi pa man siya. Hindi ba tayo nagka-pilot? Oh my God, may kwento yata ito. She is gonna share it later on. Oh my goodness. Kahit pala sexy, no, napipilayan din. Oh my goodness. Support for please, RC. Ayan, there she is. Gitna muna na RC kung kaya pa for the photo op. Paki-zoom na lang mga phone cameras nyo. Thank you, RC. Still look lovely kahit na-injured. Can we cue her, please? And next naman, Diyos ko, the ever-energetic Gab Valenciano! When you talk about energy, ito siya. Dahil anak siya ng pure energy. But this time, he is on his own. Gab, center muna please. Ayan ang marker. Wow. Oh! And of course, hindi mo siyempre mawawala ang mga nagpapatawa sa ating I candidates. The Waki Kiray! Ayan, nagka-show na si Waki. Masaya na. Waki Kiray, ayan. Ganda. Ba't ang ganda? Ang ganda. Thank you, Waki Kiray. And of course, to cater naman sa ating mga teen audience, Sue Ramirez. Sue? Ang ganda ng damit nila, ayan. Hi, Sue! Hi, look lovely. And of course, ang gwapo nito, Daniel Matsunaga! Dandan! Parang lahat sila pilay, ah. Sorry. Hindi, joke na. Center muna, Dan, please. Oh, it's hot. Sorry, hindi na nasabi ko. Thank you, Dan. And of course, ang pambansang mamang Pokey! Ay! Kala ko si Pia Words ba? Correct. Wow! Gitna mo na, Marcel, please. Bakit naka-diamond? Di mag-a-action? Alright, thank you. Sige po, igigit na natin ng mga chairs para simulan natin ang question and answer, please. Setman, our tayo muna, I candidates and hosts, so we can start with the question and answer. And joining me today is my partner, Aaron. A, where are you? Halika. Takaw kang in the back dyan.
Picture mo na.
Sorry. I'd like to acknowledge the presence of Manila Janice Set, Angeli Pangilinan, Valenciano. Ayan. Angel! Aaron, halika.
Pa-picture mo na.
Penny mic sa Aaron, please. Ito na meron, Gloria.
Wala mic.
Ganda. Okay. We are actually... actually on the live actual studio ng I Can Do That. Na again, as I got the word na mapapanood na po starting March 11. Wow, may new show na ngayong March pa lang. Okay? Can we, are we take masyadong, ayan. Huwag daw magmura. Hindi naman action ng mura. Sana may staff na nagbablocking, hindi sila, no? Di ba? Hi, our CM is TP, our creative manager, and the rest of the core staff. Si Darla is part of the show? Why not? Okay, at this point we are now ready with a question and answer. Acknowledge ko lang again our business unit at Sir Riley Santiago. Sir Riley, ayun po siya. Our production manager, Morley Nueva. Sir Morley. Our creative manager, TP, Miss TP, ayan. Our executive producers, Marvy Helito and Kai Rodriguez. And the whole creative team. Sino pa po? I hope I get the names. Of course, ayan. Si Miss Ruth, one of our writers. Head writer. And of course, the team of I Can Do That. Again, thank you everyone for coming. We're full pack tonight. Ang daming dumating. And we appreciate. Thank you. Who would like to ask? Siguro si Glenn, si Bongga would like to ask the first question. Where's Glenn? There he is. Ayan. 8 candidates to host. Dalawa lang ang mic. Sorry. Ay, papayat ako.
Ayan, good afternoon. First question ko kay Sir Ray. Sir. Yun kasi syempre pa-explain kung saan nanggaling tong I Can Do That and bakit kinuha ng ABS-CBN itong
Thank you for that wonderful question. Ang I Can Do That is from Armoza Formats. It's a content provider for Endemol, Fremantle. So the format came from Israel. So it's being shown all over the world. So ABS-CBN bought the franchise for I Can Do That. Yun. So, kung bakit? We want variation sa ating television. So, after lahat ng mga competitions, itong magandang I Can Do That, itong mga stars naman ang gagawa ng mga kakaibang talento na mapapanood ninyo kung paano nila pinaghirapan ng bawat act yung makikita nila. Kailangan lahat may lakas ng loob. Hindi pwede yung mahina. So, we studied each stars at lahat naman sila may capabilities to do the unique talents. So, and then, tsaka kailangan yung ma-form na camaraderie. Bawat isa sila ay may kanyang mga personalities na nakita namin nag-jive sila sa isa't isa. Yes.
Okay. Mababa. May question for RC Munoz. But before kay RC, gusto kong maramdaman, ma-feel at marinig ang energy ng ating 8 candidates. Can we share the mic? Bumate, everyone. Starting off with Christine Reyes, please. Please greet everyone. Gusto kong maramdaman ang energy today.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yeah.
And, ayun, mabuhay.
Good to see you. And of course, Gab Valenciano.
Hello everybody, on behalf of all the I Can Do That family, thank you for being here. At syempre, sobrang saya kasi it's been a very long time since I've done something like this. So thank you very much. And to my family, thank you.
Yes, of course. And of course, RC Munoz.
Hi everyone, good afternoon.
Pookie! Wow! Pinandigan niya yung pilay niya, yung injury niya.
Pati ba dila mo, Pilay? Hello po, hello po.
Wow, ang lambot.
Good afternoon and
Thank you, Pia. Words back, actually.
horseback riding in tandem.
Dan Matsunaga, Dan.
Hello po, magandang hapon po. Thank you for coming.
Waki Kiray.
Ay, magandang hapon po. Ako po pala si Waki Kiray.
Alam namin, di ba inintro ka na?
Hindi kasi first time po. Pasensya na.
Oh, I can feel the excitement and the joy.
RC Munoz.
Wow.